Hi students, how are you? I hope we all are fine. Some students are comment me to in comment section tell about this chapter. That's why I choose this chapter, reproduction in plants, 7th class lesson. Today our topic is reproduction in plants. Like animals, plants also reproduce to give young ones. Okay, but it is in different manner. For example, see, in plants, vegetative reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative parts, for suppose this is a plant, these are the roots, stem, and leaf, roots are vegetative parts of the plant. Vegetative parts of the plants. These involves in vegetative reproduction. For example, a rose plant and hibiscus plant, you cut any part of the plant and put it in a soil, it will grow into a new plant. This is a vegetative reproductive parts. These are. Now coming to the flowers. During spring season, our surroundings are filled with flowers, different fragments of the flowers. Flowers are most attractive part of the plant. We all are know. Just have. Now coming to the structure of the flower. Structure of flower. This is a datura flower. Here this is a stalk. It will attach it to the stem. Stalk is attached to the stem. This part is called what? Stalk. Above the stalk, the base-like structure, the flower part is starting from this base is called what? Thalamus. Thalamus. This base part is called what? Thalamus. If you know the parts of the flower, you can easily understood this chapter. In these parts only you have all reproductive organs, andrecium, gynoecium and all parts. We will see now. This green colored part is called what? This green colored part is called, these are called sepals. Sepals or calyx. These are also called calyx also. This green colored part is called sepals. The attractive part, it is a white in color in datura flower, but in hibiscus the red color, the attractive part is called what? Petals. Petals are also called corolla. How many parts we know? Stalk, thalamus, sepals and petals. These are the outer 4 parts of the flower. The inner parts are the bulb-like, tube-like structure present in the thalamus. This is called gynoecium. It is attached to the stalk. A tube-like structure is called what? Stalk. A tip of this stalk has a bed-like structure with pores. This is called what? Stigma. Are you understood, students? A bulb-like part is called what? Gynoecium. This bulb-like part is attached to a long tube. This is called stalk. Above the stalk, a bed-like structure is present. This bed-like structure have holes to enter the anther into the style. This is called what? Stigma. This tube-like part is called what? Style. This bed-like part is called, having pores, is called stigma. In this bulb, we have ovaries. We have ovaries. This is all is called ovary. This part is called ovary. Inside the ovary, we have ovules. These are the female part of the flower. These are also called gynoecium. Here long tube-like structures are called stamens. These are called what? Stamens. Above the stamens, we have yellow color part is called what? Anther. These are called stamens. Above these stamens, we have yellow color part, small part is called what? Anther. Anther. These are the male reproductive organs of the flower. These are called androecium. This part is called androecium. This part is called ovules and ovary. Androecium contains stamens and anther. When the anther enter into the, when a insect attract this flower and sit on this stigma, in that insect legs have small anthers, that is enter into the stigma through this style. That anther reaches into this gynoecium and it will be fertilized. I will do another video what is a pollination, fertilization, what is a zygote, or we will do in another part. This is the structure of the flower. How many parts we know? Stalk, thalamus, sepals, petals. These are the outermost part of the flower. The inner part is a bulb-like structure is called gynoecium. Gynoecium have ovary and ovules. This gynoecium attached to the long tube. That the tube is ends with stigma. Stigma is a entry part of this anther. That pollen grains enter into this stigma and reaches into the ovules, gynoecium, through this style. These are the anthers. These are the filaments. Like structures are called stamens. Stamens are ends with anther. In this anther we have pollen grains. This is the structure of the flower. Are you clear, students? If you have any doubts in this, comment in the comment section. Basing on the structure of the flower, they can be divided into two types: complete flower and incomplete flower. What is a complete flower? These four parts, all parts like calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, we have in that flower like datura and hibiscus. That is the complete flower. Incomplete flower means nothing but what? These four orals, either calyx or corolla, androecium or gynoecium, anyone missing on the flower, that part is called, that flower is called incomplete flower. Cucumber, bottle gourd, that flower have don't differentiated. Lily, especially lily, anyone observe the lily flower, there is no differentiation between the sepals and petals, only long tube-like structure is present. That is an incomplete flower. Now coming to the sexual organisms, unisexual flowers and bisexual flowers. In unisexual flowers are nothing but what? A flower which has either stamens, androecium or gynoecium. Any one is present in that flower, either androecium or gynoecium. Any one is present in that plant, in that flower. That is a unisexual flower. For example is the cucumber, bottle gourd and bitter gourd, etc. These are the unisexual flowers. Now coming to the bisexual flowers, this is the bisexual flower. This is the datura. This is the bisexual flowers. In this we have both androecium and gynoecium. These are nothing but bisexual flowers. These are about the structure of the flower and complete flower and incomplete flower, unisexual flowers and bisexual flowers. In this next video we will do the pollination. Most important that one. What is the pollination? What is fertilization? What is a zygote? We will learn in another section. Thank you, students. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up, share my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment me in your comment section. This is the exam time. I will available to clear your doubts. Thank you.